What's up, guys? So this is my workspace behind me for detailing, mechanicking, carring, RCing, and just everything combined in one. I don't really like it, like at all. It's gotten better, it's progressed, it's changed, but overall, I still really don't like it. So what I'm gonna do is change it up. I've also noticed what kind of made me really want to do this was every time I do a video trying to film like me doing something or working on a car, like RC car, it's really hard to get an angle that's good for you guys so you can see it. Like I'm having to put the camera directly in front of me and it's just really, really hard. And then I bump the camera and it shakes and I just don't like it. It's not good quality, it's not good content, so I just don't like it. So I'm gonna make it way better for you guys so you're able to see everything I'm doing much more clear. You can see me actually physically doing the stuff. So just focus on the thing and keep turning the camera around. It's just gonna be so much better. So this is kind of gonna give an overview of what it looks like before, and then I'll do a little progression and after. So over here we just have my toolbox, creeper, jack stands, jack, all the good stuff. Other toolbox, some pads for the rotaries and stuff, or we call it random orbitals, compound detailing stuff, rags. Then you have just my RC bench. Sorry, it's a disaster. I'm working on the F450, but it's just a disaster. Yes, Kyle, I saw your drill bits. Thank you. Anyway, all my boxes up here and stuff, and then just in here, I just like random stuff. It's like just a bunch of oil in there and everything, but it's just really not good because every time I'm doing it, I'm sitting right here filming and I have to keep the thing up close. I just don't like it. But there's a little bench over here, and then I have a little shelf for the RC. It's not working. It's going to get replaced. There's some extra parts there, but this is really like kind of just crappy, honestly. It's just very shaky, and I broke the back of it. But yeah, so that's kind of what we're dealing with. Finished working, stuff like that. I've got the material here. I'm going to start working on this very soon. I finished painting some stuff, helped my dad, and worked on the M3 motor, and now I'm back over here to this. So I was trying to finish this in video, and then I was like, dude, this just could be so much better. So more quality content is on the way, better content, and I'm going to start working on this and get it ready. So I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see it when it's done. What's up, guys? First off, I have lines on my face. I just finished painting some of Maggie's car, so put them in this video. So I finished my little workbench over here for the RC stuff. I could not be happier with it, but I'll admit I'll probably change it in like a month. That's just how I do it. I just change stuff. I love it. Change is always good. But anyway, I love the new setup, the way it's set up. It works fantastically for the shop, for the RC stuff, for content, for videos, a better angle for you guys to see stuff more from my point of view, or just see me in general working instead of just sitting there in front of me. I think this piece is just so much better for the channel, and I hope you guys really enjoy. Guys, as you can see, I added another bench back here, a little workbench, built it, painted it black, all that good stuff, so it matches the cabinets back over here, and I couldn't be happier. It's freaking awesome. It's really sturdy. It's going to be plenty big. I can fit behind. I can put the camera up and set it up. It is just awesome, and I'm so excited, and I can't wait. This will be so much better content. It's just able to see what I'm doing, just everything. It is so cool, and I can't wait for you guys to see a video with this new setup. It's gonna be awesome. Just rearranged it all, and it just works so much better. I'm gonna get some more shelving back there so I can put some more cars and just have like a background while we're working, whatever. I tried to scrape the paint off the window, but I think when the guys painted the outside of the building a couple years ago, they used a spray gun, so I had to go on the outside and scrape that. It's been raining a week nonstop, so I'll do that later and scrape all the paint off and stuff. But for right now, guys, it's really cool. I really like the setup. I hope you guys like it too and enjoy it. More awesome content's gonna come with this. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day.